What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be petting my cat again. And this time, I have a little bat plushie right here, named Eclipse. She didn't really bite, she's just playing. When she's playing, she doesn't really bite that hard. You like Eclipse? You like? Yeah? Hey, I'm just trying to pet Eclipse. Okay, you want to pet Eclipse? Okay. I named this little bat Eclipse because bats come out at night in eclipse, and an eclipse is when the moon goes in front of the sun, and then the moon will be out. Yeah. She usually flicks her tail because she kind of doesn't really like being on camera, but she kind of does. I can't really tell. Because when cats flick their tail, they're a little bit mad. Alright. Oh, yeah. I don't know why she's flicking her tail. Maybe she wants me to stop petting her, or maybe she's just a little bit camera shy. Hi. Let's see. I didn't really scratch me. No, it didn't. Okay. Hi. You can see what my cat did to me when I was trying to get her off the comic book boxes. She bit me. It was up on those comic book boxes. You cleaning yourself? You cleaning yourself? Yeah? 1 second, I need to grab something. I need to grab something that I didn't show you guys yet. You can just watch Stella. That's what her name is. You can just watch her clean herself. I'm going to grab something. There it is. Hi. It's a little monkey. And set him right there. Yeah, it's a little bit of a mess over there. I'm just gonna point the camera back to Stella the cat. I'm gonna let you look at her for a little bit longer. I'm recording this on an iPad, so it's kind of hard to get it to stand up like the height that I want it to. I have like a little stand for it, like that's like on the case, but it pushes it downward. It's not really for recording videos. It's mainly for like watching videos or playing games. If you play games on your iPad like me. Well, I also play games on the Xbox and stuff, but I can't really do that yet because I don't have a webcam and I haven't done a face reveal, and I'm not going to for a while. Yeah. You guys might be like, wait, why are we not doing the Star Wars series thing anymore? And that's because, well, I can't really, like, some of the things on the Millennium Falcon came off when I rung it down there, and then now I don't want to put it back down there because then it will get all busted up again. Okay, I'm gonna end the video. Remember to hit the like button and press the subscribe button and tap the bell on right there. And the bell only shows up when you press the subscribe button, and you have to click the bell. And how you know, the way you know it's actually that you already clicked it is it will have little lines next to it if you put it on that. It will have little like lines next to it. Okay, bye. See you in the next video.